Hello and welcome to another episode of Jason is Bored in His Truck. Today I'm in the middle of absolutely nowhere, Oregon. I had a request for this song. Apparently it is a brand new Willie Nelson song just released today. And everybody who knows me knows you don't have to twist my arm too hard to get me to learn a Willie Nelson song, so I'll give her a shot. I'll probably kill it, but first time that he saw her, he knew everything had changed. Overnight, love started blooming like the first rose of spring. Auburn hair like a sunrise, sweetest smile you'd ever seen. Butterflies, they danced around her like the first rose of spring. Summertime would have never started, and wintertime would never end. She colored his life, opened his eyes, things he'd never dreamed without the first rose of spring. She gave him children like a garden. She gave him all the love they'd need to grow up strong. She made a home, and every year he'd bring her the first rose of spring. Last time that he ever saw her, he knew everything had changed. Said goodbye and let the tears fall like rain on the first rose of spring. Well, there you have it, complete with mistakes and everything. That's a good song. I'm going to have to work on that one some more.